Hello and welcome my YouTube channel Rapid Hub here. We get information of how to make money, so please like and subscribe my channel to motivate me. So let's start the video. Today topic, how to start investing with just $100. So let's start. Imagine waking up 10 years from now, checking your bank account, and seeing an extra 6 figures just because you made a small decision today. Sounds unrealistic? It's not. In fact, what if I told you that you could start that journey with just $100? Most people think investing is only for the rich, but that's a lie. The real difference between those who build wealth and those who don't isn't how much they start with. It's when they start. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can begin investing, even if all you have is a single Benjamin in your pocket. Stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal a strategy that turns your first $100 into thousands without high risks or complicated jargon. Let's get into it. Let's be real. Investing sounds intimidating. Stocks, ETFs, Roth IRAs. It feels like you need a degree from Wall Street University just to understand it. And with all the fear-mongering headlines about market crashes, it's easy to think, what if I lose my money? But here's the real danger, not investing at all. Because while you wait for the perfect time, inflation is eating away at your money every second. The $100 you keep in cash today, in 10 years, it'll barely buy you a decent dinner. And here's another hard truth. Most people never start investing because they think they need thousands of dollars. But that mindset keeps them stuck. Wealth isn't built in one giant leap. It's built in small, consistent steps. Think of it this way. Every wealthy investor you see today started somewhere. They didn't wake up with millions. They built it step by step. And if you wait until you have more money, you'll always find another reason to delay. Waiting means you're missing out on something crucial, time in the market. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you invest small amounts, starting today gives you a huge advantage over waiting until you feel ready. So how do you start? With your first $100, and I'll show you exactly how. Now, let's put that $100 to work. Here are 3 smart ways to start investing today, even if you're a total beginner. 1. Index funds. The set it and forget it strategy. The easiest way to invest like a pro without actually being one? Index funds. These let you own a small piece of hundreds of companies, spreading your risk while still getting solid growth. Think of it like buying a basket of the best businesses in America. With just $100, you can invest in something like the S&P 500 ETF, like VOO or SPY, which has historically returned about 10% per year. That's right. Your money is literally working for you while you sleep. Quick pattern interrupt. And let's be honest, your money deserves to work as hard as you do, right? Now, imagine never having to stress about stock picking, watching charts, or guessing market trends. With index funds, you just buy, hold, and let time do the work. 2. Fractional shares. Own a piece of companies like Amazon and Tesla. Worried that stocks like Amazon are too expensive? Good news, you don't need to buy a full share. Many platforms now allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of big companies with just a few bucks. Imagine telling your friends, yeah, I own a part of Tesla. Sounds way better than saying, I bought another Starbucks latte, right? And here's a fun fact. If you had invested $100 in Amazon back in 2001, you'd have over $200,000 today. Just let that sink in. Fractional investing gives you access to the biggest companies in the world, even if you're starting with a small budget. That means you don't need thousands of dollars to own valuable assets. You can start right now. 3. High-yield savings plus investing apps, minus the hybrid approach. Not quite ready to go all in? Start with a high-yield savings account to hold your emergency fund while investing small amounts through apps like Acorns, M1 Finance, or Robinhood. These automate your investing so you can build wealth passively. And here's where it gets really exciting. Because even though you're starting small, the secret weapon of investing is about to change everything. Let's talk about why investing $100 right now is so powerful. It's called compounding, or as Albert Einstein called it, the eighth wonder of the world. It means your money doesn't just grow, it grows on top of its own growth, multiplying over time. Here's a mind-blowing example. If you invest $100 today and add just $25 per month into an S&P 500 index fund, in 30 years, you could have over $50,000, even if you never increase your contributions. Now imagine if you kept investing more as you earned more. That's how wealth is built. And the biggest mistake? Waiting. The longer you wait, the more you lose. Because you're not just losing money, you're losing time. And time is your biggest asset. Think of investing like planting a tree. The best time to plant it was 20 years ago. The second best time? Right now. So the real question is, are you going to start today, or are you going to keep waiting while others build their wealth? Let's break it down even further. If you start today, your future self will thank you. If you wait another 5 years, you're not just missing out on returns. You're losing potential tens of thousands of dollars. And if you think $100 isn't enough to make a difference, remember this. Every millionaire started somewhere. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't luck, it's action. Now that you know how to invest your first $100, the next step is understanding how compounding can make you truly rich. I've got a whole video breaking it down for you. Click here on the screen, and I'll see you there. Your future self will thank you. Additional final thought. And remember, financial freedom isn't just about how much you make, it's about what you do with what you have. So don't let the excuse of not enough money hold you back. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. The journey to financial independence begins now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future content that helps you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Let's grow together.